See, that's a problem. Let's go see if we can see what's making this ferocious noise. See that piece of metal? Somehow a screw had probably fell down in there, spinning around, and it caught this edge of this metal right here, and it's bent it up, and that's what's making it. So let's see if we can, all we need to do is push that down. So I think, you know, I can't reach back in there, but I can get the spud bar. I can get the spud bar back in here. You see the spud bar right here sticking out? If I can get back here and push up, that's where we're hitting right there. So if I can push up with the spud bar, then I should be able to take a screwdriver and push down on this stainless steel. So let's see if I can do this. Oh, there we go. I bent it down perfect. They're like, man, why do you need a spud bar? Well, right there's a perfect reason to need a spud bar. All right, so let's try it out here to make sure we're good. Okay, so it's not rubbing it. Okay, so we're gonna call this the spud bar dryer fix. When all else fails, get your spud bar out.